Hi guys, this is a classic trouser pattern and I will explain to you how you can swing the classic men's trouser. This is the back part and here is the mark for the dart, and I already my overlock is done. And this is the front part, and I do overlock till the pocket ending, not pocket part, because if you do the overlock in the pocket area it's bulky. That's why I'm not do the overlock in pocket area. And in fly also is both sides overlock. Or if you like to center crease, so you can do the before start the stitching, you can make the center crease line with press iron. You can sit like this smooth. And you can make the center crease. If you don't like center crease in trouser, you avoid this. Okay, and you can make a crease in both sides. This is it is done. And this is the back pocket part. This is the back pocket lining. I am used the white cotton fabric for the lining material because this cotton is good. It is good feel for body. And this is a bone. This is a pocket bone, and this is a pocket facing. This is a pocket facing, and one side you can do the overlock in the facing area. And this is a pocket, this is a side front pocket lining, and this one is the pocket facing, and you can do the overlock in one side. Okay, and this one is also pocket facing, pocket lining and with facing. This one is the showing facing, and this one is the under facing. Okay, pocket, and this is the fly, is one for the zipper and one for the zip, one for the stitching. This one is for the zipper, and this one is for the stitching. Okay, so both ply is done. I'm not do the overlock in zipper part, in zipper facing. Okay, I'm do overlock only stitching ply, and this one is the zipper lining, zipper ply lining. And this is the belt, this is the belt facing, because I have no more fabric, that's why I am using the belt facing for inner this is the inner facing. If you have same fabric, you don't use this one. And this one is the belt, this one is the belt, because my fabric is not very much, so that's why I'm put belt here. Okay, otherwise is I show you everything, and let's start stitching.